Are you gearing up to pitch your business idea or startup to potential investors? Crafting a compelling pitch deck presentation is key to making a lasting impression and securing the funding that you need. In this video, we will explore 7 essential elements that should be included in your pitch deck presentation to grab attention, inspire confidence, and ultimately win over investors. Number 1. Company overview. When crafting your pitch deck presentation, the company overview section is where you introduce who you are and what your business is all about. Here, you need to show mission, vision, and values of your business and product. Plus, write down what inspired you to create a business and short story behind the brand. Write about key milestones, company founded dates, any significant achievements, and team behind the successes. In addition, you need to write information on key personnel like founders, executives, advisors, and/or any notable team members. This is your chance to showcase your mission, vision, values, and overall identity as a company. Investors want to know the story behind the brand, what inspired its creation, and what sets it apart from competitors. This section lays the foundation for everything that follows in your pitch deck, so make sure it captures attention and leaves a lasting impression on potential investors. Number 2. Problem and solution. When crafting your pitch deck presentation, addressing the problem your target audience faces is crucial. Clearly outlining the pain points or challenges that they encounter helps investors understand the market need for your solution. Let's take one example. If the problem is market saturation, then a solution can be targeting niche markets or expanding into untapped demographics. If the problem is inefficient processes, then the solution can be implementing automation tools or streamlining workflows to increase efficiency and reduce costs. If the problem is limited brand awareness, then the solution could be investing in marketing campaigns, social media strategies, and partnerships to increase brand visibility. Presenting a compelling solution that directly addresses the identified problem is key. Describe how your product or services uniquely solves the issue at hand and why it stands out from existing alternatives in the market. Before we go any further, please help us grow by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It's the best way to show your support and stay connected with our latest updates. Number 3. Market analysis. This section should dive deep into the current state of the market you are entering. Research key trends, growth potential, and any relevant data that supports your business idea. Identify your target audience and their needs within the market. Showcase how your product or service uniquely addresses these needs better than competitors. In this section, you can provide data on the total addressable market, TAM, or serviceable addressable market, SAM, and your target market segment. Include projections for market growth over the next few years. Provide evidence of market demand for your product or service, such as customer surveys, pre-orders, pilot programs, or letters of intent from potential customers. Here, you can describe the different customer segments within your target market and their specific needs, preferences, and behaviors. Explain how your product or service meets the needs of each segment. Outline your plan for entering the market, including geographic expansion, product launches, marketing campaigns, and sales tactics. Number 4. Unique selling proposition. Your USP is what sets you apart from the competition and highlights why customers should choose your product or service over others in the market. Let's take this as an example. If you're providing organic food delivery service, then your USP will be the farm-to-table freshness with ethical sourcing and transparent supply chain. This organic food delivery service sources fresh products directly from local farms. Prioritizing ethical sourcing practices and maintaining a transparent supply chain from farm to table, ensuring quality and sustainability. Your USP should clearly communicate the unique benefits and value proposition of your offering. Number 5. Business model. This section outlines how your company plans to generate revenue and sustain itself in the market. It should clearly explain the value that you offer to customers and how you plan to monetize it. As an example, if you are in the manufacturing and distribution business, then your business model will be designing, producing, and distributing physical products to wholesalers, retailers, or directly to customers. On the other side, revenue generation from sales of products at a markup, wholesale distribution to retailers, licensing agreements for brand extensions. Your business model should address key aspects such as pricing strategies, distribution channels, customer acquisition methods, and revenue streams. If you're running an on-demand service platform, then your business model is connecting service providers with customers on demand through a digital platform. And business revenue generation from commission or service fees is charged on the transactions. Surge pricing during peak demand, subscription fees for premium services. Highlight any competitive advantages or innovative techniques that set your business model apart from others in the industry. Number 6. Current achievements and milestones. This can include key partnerships, product launches, revenue growth, or any other significant accomplishments. For example, if you have customer acquisition achievements, then write like, we acquired 10,000 new customers within 6 months of launching. We have secured partnerships with 3 major retailers to distribute our products, and we grow monthly active users by 200% through targeted marketing campaigns. Investors want to see that your business is moving forward and achieving important milestones. By including this information in your pitch deck, you demonstrate momentum and a track record of success. Consider including visuals such as graphs or charts to make it easier for investors to grasp the significance of your achievements. And number 7, financials and projections. Break down your revenue streams, expenses, and projected growth in a concise yet detailed manner. Show investors how you plan to generate revenue and achieve profitability over time. Include key metrics such as customer acquisition costs, lifetime value of a customer, and projected return on investment. Last, include these 10 points in your financial projections. If you like this video, please leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.